Hello everyone, welcome back to the MedClass tutorial series. In this episode 16, and today we will focus on the regression model where the relationship variable is log transformed in MedClass software. The log transforming the response variable is often used in biomedical research when the dependent variable is positively staked or does not meet normality assumptions. By applying the log transformations, we stabilize variations, reduce sickness, and make the regression model more interpretable. So that take the data set for the 15% data. The first one for the predictor variable is a age, and the next one for the predictor variable is BMI. Then next for the cholesterol is a response variable, and triglyceride is a response variable. So the last one for the log triglyceride is a manually calculated. The MedClass not automatically the calculate for the log triglycerides. So now the calculate for the MedClass software in the response variable is log transformed in MedClass software. So the first go to the top sections of the menu, click to the statistics and go to the regressions and sub menu for the selected in the regression options. Then open the new tab for the regressions. The first the selected for the variable y is a response variable in the dependent variable. So selected we take selected for the triglycerides, and the next one for the variable x is a predictor variable and the independent variable selected for the age. Then the leave for the weights and the filter options. We not take for the any group data set, so the filter options leave it. Then for the regression equations selected for the third one, the y log y is equal to a plus bx selected, and the subgroup for the not selected, and residual the test for normal distribution selected. The first one the Shapiro walk test, and the another test and the detail also explained in the previous video. If you any doubt for the residual the test details, please visit to our the previous video. So selected for the Shapiro walk test, then click to the OK button. Now the calculate for the response variable log transformed in MedClass software. So the first one for the dependent y, the triglycerides, and independent x is a age. So the sample size, the total patient is a 15, and the coefficients of determination r square value 0.9905, and the residuals the standard deviations the value 0.01736. The regression equations, the log y is equal to 1.8329 plus 0.01018x. The parameter and the intercept for the slope, the coefficients value 1.83 and the slope value 0.01018. Then standard error value and 95% of confidence interval, and the t value and the p value. So the less than 0.0001. So the analysis of variation in ANOVA, the table, the score for the regressions, the degrees of freedom value 1 and the sum of square value 0.4068, the mean square value 0.40. The residual is a degrees of freedom 13, the sum of square 0.00 and the mean square also 0.003013. Then the F ratio value 1350.0.188, the significance value p less than 0.0001. So the next one, the last, the residuals, the Shapiro walk test for normally distributions, the W is equal to 0.0 0.8987, accepted normality p less than 0, p is equal to 0.0908. Then the diagram options for the response variable is log transformed. The below the options scatter diagram with regression lines. Click to the options, then open the new tab for the regression line, the diagram. The already the selected this is automatically selected. The variable y is a triglyceride and variable x the age. Then the regression equation, the third one for the equation selected, and the options for the first one selected 95% of confidence. Then click to the OK button. Response variable log transformed in the MedCalc software. So the XHS take for the age, the 20 to 80 ages, and the triglyceride for the Y axis milligram per deciliter. Center of the box in the graph, the value present in the log y is equal to 1.833 plus 0.0102 x. The number of the patient is equal to 15. The R value is equal to 1. P less than 0.001. So this is the regression lines. If the customized the graph, right click the simple, the format marker, then change to the color, style change, then also the change the color, then click to the increase the size. Okay, the change the symbol size and line color also, format regression lines. Then if you want the thick, increase the thick. Okay, this is for the customized options. The very few steps only the customized for the graph. Then also the font is a Time Roman and the font size is a 31. Okay, this is for the response variable is log transferred calculation method in the MedCalc software for biomedical dataset. If you any doubt on this video, leave me comments in the comment box. I will reply to you. And the interpretation of this video, I will explain for the our Blogger post. That link also mentioned to the this video description box. And if you like this video, click to the subscription button and support to me, join to our channel membership. Thank you for watching this video.